video is not intended for minors. This video is intended for adults 18 and above. Anything you see in this video, do not attempt or do not try at home without adult supervision if you are under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, still use caution and common sense. Thank you.
Today I'm going to do a review on a 2.9 meter telescopic ladder. 2.9 meters is roughly 9 feet long. The telescopic ladder that inserts into itself can hold up to 300 pounds, it says. And here it is. Compact size. Compacted ladder. Easy to carry. Hold it right under here. You can carry it anywhere you want. It weighs roughly 18 pounds. It's got an easy lock mechanism. You push these forward to unlock it once it's locked in. You choose how high you want it or how low you want it. All you do is take the ladder, unbuckle the strap so you won't accidentally pull it. Pull it up, it locks in. Pull it up, locks in. Pull it up, locks in. Pull it up, locks in. Pull it up. But when you're moving it, you don't want to pick it up because it will still do this. You can hold it here, like this, and look where you want. And also climb the ladder. By 6 straight.
She will demonstrate how to climb the ladder.
Now she will demonstrate how to come back down.
She never had to come back. Good job.
Fully extended.
Fully extended.
Fully extended, the ladder is roughly 9 feet tall.
That's more than 9. That's around 10. It's more than
2.9 meters. That's what it says on the box. So ignore what the camera person saying.
more than 9 feet.
To get the ladder back down,
There's a button in there.
there's two buttons.
Ah, that's the button.
Left and right. Now
There's-
you push them in, it comes back down.
There are buttons in there to put it down. Watch your finger.
Ladder. Easy. Adjustable height.
And safety lock.
Lock it back together so you can't pull it apart. Take it where you want. Aluminum ladder. So be careful
Aluminum.
working around safety lines. And it's easy as lifting it up and pushing these levers in to let it fall back down and lock in place. And if ever the mechanism gets sticky, you can put just a little bit of oil on it, not too much. And then if ever something happens to these, get somebody to kind of push it in for you. But this is a really good ladder, so some good weight to it. And time will tell how good it will last.
You climb on it, lab. Climb on it so we'll see. Good on the container.
Alright, we'll go up here and I'll give it a try. Unlock it.
Now it's Daddy's turn to demonstrate how to
So
climb.
when you unlock it, you pull it up.
Be careful with your real ass.
Like a loose paper ladder. that, and it automatically locks in. When you climb the ladder, don't lift it like that.
No, no, like that. No, no.
Make it up and down.
Yes, like that.
But don't make it too up and down, or you may fall back. Put just a firm slope on it. I like kind of like this.
That's too much. Hey, that's too close. Yeah, like that. Careful up there. She's holding for you. Climb, climb, climb higher, love. Higher, higher. Okay, that's strong. You didn't feel off. He weighs 165 pounds, so it means that ladder is very strong. Okay, let's see Yara try. Climb on the top. She's not chicken anymore. She's a brave girl.
Let's go up the ladder. You'll see what all the leaves on top of there. These raked off.
You have to climb down and sweep it. Go up.
One more.
One more step.
One more step. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
All right.
Wow, what did you see up there? Very nice leaves.
Very nice view.
Very nice view. What view are there? What?
Leaves and ants.
Leaves. Okay, slowly go back down. Hold on. Turn around the other side.
Here I come.
Okay, okay, it's okay. She can reach it. Okay, put your legs down. Daddy will catch you.
All right.
Okay, step down. Wow, what a brave girl. She's in a video too. She's not chicken anymore. Gosh, if we cut her nails, she's going crazy. She's that chicken. But she climbed a ladder. She's even scared.
Getting the ladder back down again, of course.
I should climb also. How come I didn't climb? How come I didn't climb? Never mind. My two big bellies will show up. My flap will knock that down. My two spare tire will cause me to peel off.
Watch your fingers. And again, here's the ladder. A great ladder to have. Easy, compact. You can store it easy. You can carry it easy. Transport it easy. And a great ladder to have. Great ladder to own. You don't have to worry about the big ladder being laying up somewhere. Hard to travel. Hard to take somewhere. Good to use around the house. So if you want a nice ladder to have, this is the one to get. And
Very cheap too, right?
It's very cheap for lengths. There's 4
3,000.
foot, 4 foot, 6 foot, 9 foot, and 12 foot.